Spring is right around the corner, and that means waking your car up from its long winter's nap. This car, however, got stored improperly, and up here in the Pacific Northwest, a lot of times that can lead to mold and mildew growth. This car was stored outdoors for a few months, and that's exactly what we got. We're going to give it a good, thorough cleaning and sanitizing so that the mildew doesn't come back. We're also going to show you how you can prevent this from happening to your car in the future. As a note, if you happen to have access to an ozone generator, running it in the car for about an hour before anything else will help kill the existing spores floating around. If you don't have an ozone generator, that's fine, but you might consider wearing a mask or even better yet, a respirator, or at least for this next step. We're going to start by vacuuming up all the surfaces to remove as much dirt and mold as we can before coming in with our steamer. Steam isn't just great for superficial cleaning, it also helps kill bacteria and microbes that cause odors, as well as killing mold spores. What's better is that it won't leave behind a pungent smell as it would if you were using white vinegar and water, which is also a great disinfectant. To pull out the dirt and mold, I'm going to use an extractor on the carpet and the seats, and then citrus all-purpose cleaner diluted 10:1 for the smaller cloth bits. This will break up the dirt and grease in the fabric and allow me to dab it up with an edgeless utility towel. Finally, I'm going to toss in one of our Stinky Be Gone bags under the seat to keep the car smelling fresh and add one of our air dryer desiccant bags to the rear to absorb any further moisture left in the air. This is a JDM car, so what would be better than to leave it with the fresh fragrance of our Stinky Be Gone JDM squash. And here's what it looks like after. Truly, the steam is what really accomplished a lot of the heavy lifting. If you don't have a steamer, I would highly recommend getting one. It's also excellent for use around the house as well. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.